I was going to film a traditional video at home, but our power is out because the wind here is crazy. We live outside of Pittsburgh and we have been hit with some crazy wind today, and so we have no power at home. So I have no lighting. I have no way to film a video at home. So I figured we are getting ready to run some errands and we're heading to Costco. And so I thought, this is practical. What better way to show you a quick look that you can get in 10 minutes or less while you're a passenger in a car. So as you can see, my husband is here beside me. We're stopped at this red light, and anyway, so I'm going to show you how to get this look in 10 minutes or less. So if you want to see this look, keep watching. I'm in the car driving with the man, and I just want to do a little bit of something because this isn't happening. So I'm going to start off with this foundation, squirt some on the back of my hand. I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to just blend that in quick. I'll be right back.
Very long after that. I don't know.
Okay, so foundation's on, pretty much even out my skin tone. I have a couple of spots here because I've been eating chocolate and I'm allergic to it. Now, how can you not eat chocolate, right? So next up, I'm going to put on my Flower Beauty concealer, and I'm going to take care of this business that's down here and terrible, and put some under here to brighten up my eyes, and I'm going to use my beauty blender for that too. So hang on one sec, be right back. Okay, concealer's on. Next thing I'm going to do is throw on a little bit of blush, and I'm going to use this brand. This came in an Ipsy bag. I have no idea what it is or whatever, but I've been using it, and it's my little brush, and I'm just going to throw on a quick little bit of blush. So I'll be right back. Okay, blush is on. Next thing up is my brightening powder. I'm going to use it under here to set my eyes just so they don't crease, and I'm going to use a little bit on top of my eyes here. I'm going to be real, like I have a hat on. I'm not going to get crazy with makeup today, so it's Sunday or chilling. That's all I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of this powder on, and I will be right back. Okay, brightening powder is on. Next up, I'm just going to throw on some mascara quick. I'm going to use this Maneater mascara by Tarte. It's bomb. As you can see, I did a really simple look. I'm going to throw on this mascara quick. Okay, so mascara is on. I'm going to quickly put on my Mary Kay Rose lip liner, and then I'm going to mix in my Milani Rose, Bare Pink lip gloss over top of that, and that's going to complete my look. So I'm going to throw on my lips really quick. Okay, and we're all set. That is the total look for today. I started this look at 3:29, and as you can see, it is now 3:38. Let's see if it focuses in correctly. Hopefully you can see that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you saw, go ahead and click subscribe and that notification bell so you know the next time I upload. So anyway, happy Sunday, and I hope that you're all having a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Thanks so much. Bye. Have you ever seen a site like this? So we finally get to Costco, and the parking lot is empty. There is no one here because guess what? Their power's out too.